Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Have you ever dried off in silky luxury? Well, that is what Marmaris company has done with these amazing bamboo towels. As soon as you see them right out of the package, they just look absolutely beautiful. I like the design that they have on them. It just makes it look so classy. The size is pretty amazing. I'm comparing this to my old towel and you can just see how big it is. Now I'm 5'6". I can wrap it around me. I have plenty of room and it goes down to my knees. When you touch these towels against your skin, it just feels so soft, so luxurious. You just feel like you're at a hotel. The main reason why I wanted these towels was for especially when we had guests. Now the only problem is they probably will never want to leave the bathroom. So if you are looking for some luxurious softness, oh my goodness, I recommend these. And that is just my point of view.